Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Fiesta. This is Asif, and in this tutorial what I'm going to show you how to create an application using API call and parsing JSON data from it using third-party libraries like OkHTTP3. And I've already created a project named Movie Mania, as this project is about parsing the movie list data. And I'm going to show you at first the JSON file so that you can understand properly. This is the JSON file, and it is taken from api.themoviedb.org, and this JSON view is showing perfectly because I'm using one extension in my web browser. It is named JSON Viewer, and you can find more in the extension if you want, as you want. For parsing the JSON data you will need this kind of extension. So let's begin. This is the JSON file we are gonna parse in this tutorial. So for JSON parsing we need mainly 4 classes. The first one is activity class, the recycler adapter class, the API class, and API call class, and at last the model class. So for this project we will need some third-party libraries. So at first let me add those dependencies in our Gradle file. Let me open the Gradle file and I'll simply paste that. And in the project level Gradle file, as I have declared one sweet alert dialog dependency, so for that reason I need to change something in our all projects braces. So let me copy that and paste it here. Now I will sync the Gradle file and hopefully it will work properly. Okay, so let me just explain the dependencies we will need. At first we will need the OkHTTP dependency. It is named com.requireup.OkHTTP3 blah blah blah. And for the JSON converter we will need one more dependency for JSON, and for the sweet alert dialog we need this dependency, and for recyclerview we need this dependency, and this design support design dependency is added for this sweet alert dialog box also. And we will need card view in our user interface, so I've also added this card view dependency. And for showing one image we'll need that Picasso library. So at first let me just press Alt Shift I, sorry, let me sync the Gradle file. And now, as I have mentioned earlier, that we will need these 4 classes. So let me create them first. At first I will create the model class for that. So let me come to the JSON file and I will copy all of them. And for creating the model class we will use this website www.jsonschema2pozo.org. I will paste that JSON file, and at the top we don't need these 2 lines, so Now in the preview, our model class will be created. There are two classes. The class named example will be our main model class. So let me just copy the code inside that example class. I'll copy that, and I will create one model class named model movie. Okay, and I will simply paste that code, and another class is the result class. I will copy the entire code, and I will create that as an inner class, and I have to declare it as static. Okay, and let me just press Alt insert. Okay, again Alt insert. It's okay now. So our model movie class has been created. The next thing we will do is we will go to the XML file of that main class. I will delete this text view, and I'll simply add one recycler view. Its width will be match parent and its height will be wrap content, and the ID will be recyclerview. Okay. So in this recycler view, we will have our elements from the JSON file. So as it is dynamic, so I have to create this row item for that elements. So inside the layout folder, I will create one row item movie. I'll convert it as relative layout. I'll take one card view. Its width will be match parent and its height will be wrap content. I'll take some margin here, margin 10 dp. Okay, let me just zoom it. Inside card view, at first let me take it as 150 dp. Inside that card view, I will need one linear layout having the width as match parent and the height as wrap content, and its orientation will be horizontal. In the first element, I will need the image of this movie. So I will take one image view and I will set the width as 80 dp and height will be 100 dp. And I'll take some margin here, margin 5 dp. And the next element, right beside this image view, I will take some text linear as horizontal orientation, as vertical orientation. So I'll take one more linear layout. Its width will be match parent, its height will be wrap content, and its orientation will be vertical, and I'll take some margin left here, margin left 5 dp. Okay, so inside that we will have some text. Wrap content. Let me set some demo text so that I can understand properly. Let me just say the movie name is Avengers. Okay, so the text size will be 20 dp. I'll just fix the text color, and I will fix it as black. That's the color code for black. And right below that I will create another text as release date, and its size will be 17 dp. And I will not set the color for that. Oh sorry, I have changed the first one. I will not set the color for that. And right below that will be the overview of that movie. So I'll name it by default as overview, and I will set the text size as 15, and I will set some margin top here, margin top as 15 dp. Okay, that's the image. That's and 3 text here. So our one more thing I need to do, set the ID for each one. I will set the ID as image movie. Okay, text view movie name, movie name. And that will be the text view overview. Okay, so our row item movie is done. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will work on this recycler adapter class. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching it.